Doctor's advice. Avoid diabetes and high blood sugar by limiting added sugars. Limiting your intake of added sugars is one of the most effective ways to prevent diabetes and manage your blood sugar levels. Added sugars are those that are introduced to foods and beverages during processing or preparation, and they can be found in a wide range of products, from obvious ones like sweets, candies, and sugary drinks, to hidden sources like sauces, breads, and even yogurts. When you consume foods high in added sugars, your body breaks them down quickly, causing a spike in blood sugar levels. Over time, constantly consuming added sugars can lead to insulin resistance, where your body struggles to use insulin properly, making it harder to regulate blood sugar levels. This can eventually develop into type 2 diabetes. In addition to diabetes, a diet high in added sugars is linked to weight gain, increased risk of heart disease, and inflammation in the body. To reduce your intake of added sugars, focus on choosing whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. When you eat fruit, for example, the natural sugars are paired with fiber, which slows down sugar absorption and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Reading food labels is also important. Watch for hidden sugars listed as ingredients like high fructose corn syrup, sucrose, or glucose. Aim to limit processed foods and sweetened snacks, and instead opt for homemade meals where you can control what goes into your food. By cutting back on added sugars, you can help maintain stable blood sugar levels, reduce your risk of diabetes, and improve your overall health. Small changes like these contribute to better long-term wellness and a more balanced diet.